Sharing files. Google Drive allows you to share files that you've created using Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. You can also upload a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation to Google Drive. You can share access to that file with individuals, groups, such as your team's Google group, or the general UCD community. You also control their levels of access, from read-only viewer to full editor for collaboration. You remain the owner of the file and can remove access at any time. For sharing files among your team, we recommend setting up a shared drive in Google Drive and adding your team members to it so that they can access any file you add to the team's shared drive. This allows you and your team to organize and manage your work information. For setting up and organizing a shared drive, see the link to the video in the description below. Select a file you want to share. Here I'm selecting a file from my drive in Google Drive. Right-click on the file and select Share from the menu. This gives you two ways of sharing the file. Share with people and groups lets you add individuals or a full Google group, who you can then set as viewer, commenter, or editor. For further control, click on the cogwheel icon to get another box where you can remove sharing permissions from editors or remove print, copy, and download options from viewers and commenters, i.e. make the file read-only. You can use this setting to share with people outside of UCD staff, e.g. UCD students and external collaborators. When doing so, you will see notification that flags the person or email address as being external before you can proceed with sharing. Notify people is selected as a default. You can also add a message. Click on Send, and the recipients will receive an email notification that the file has been shared with them. Get Link lets you copy a link to the file on Google Drive that you can send to others. By default, this access is set to restricted, where only the individuals or groups you add can access the file. Anyone else who clicks on the link will be denied access, but can send an access request to the document owner. Where appropriate, if you want to give access to any UCD staff member with the Google Drive file link, e.g. if circulated internally by email or posted on Google Currents, click on Share with University College Dublin. You can also set this access as either viewer, commenter, or editor. The Get Link setting can also be set so that anyone outside UCD staff, e.g. UCD students and external collaborators, who receive the link can access the file. However, this should be used with due consideration for any potential data protection issues, as it effectively allows the file to be circulated outside of your control. Click on Copy Link to get the link for the file. For advice in sharing personal data and information, please consult the UCD GDPR website at www.ucd.ie/GDPR. You can also choose Get Link from the menu when you right-click on a file. From within the file, you can share by clicking on the Share button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, or go to File and select Share from the drop-down menu. To use a shared drive in Google Drive to share files among your team, see the video Setting Up and Organizing a Shared Drive, linked in the description below. For more information on Google Workspace, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and visit our website www.ucd.ie/ithelp.